Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Microsoft's Copilot, then just to let you know that ChatGPT powered GPTs are now available in the free version of Microsoft Copilot, and according to a post by Windows Latest, which I'll leave down below, won't be exclusive to the Copilot Pro, which is a paid subscription version of Copilot, as many of you may know. Now, currently, these GPTs are on a controlled rollout. I'm not seeing them yet in my region. So you may have seen them, you may have not, but just keeping you posted like we like to do on the channel. And apparently the AI-powered ChatGPT GPTs won't require a Microsoft account or the Edge browser. So basically you can use the GPTs in any browser using Copilot without a Microsoft account. Now, just a brief background on ChatGPT powered GPTs in case you are unaware, just to get us all on the same page. Basically, they are custom versions of ChatGPT that you can create for a specific purpose, which are called GPTs. And according to OpenAI, are a new way for you to create a tailored version of ChatGPT to be more helpful in your daily life at specific tasks at work or at home. And how this all works is, according to OpenAI, you can build your own GPT, so you don't need any coding, so no coding is required. And they say that creating one is as easy as starting a conversation, giving it instructions and extra knowledge, and picking what it can do, like searching the web, making images, or analyzing data. So basically, that's more or less what these ChatGPT powered GPTs are all about in a nutshell. Now, as an example, just to give you a very brief example, if you select Microsoft Designer, as we can see in the screenshot provided by Windows Latest, if you select Microsoft Designer GPT, you should be able to generate more creative images using DALL-E 3. And that's because the Designer GPT is optimized for creativity using extra knowledge, and that means it can maximize the potential of DALL-E 3 to create better quality images. And that's just a simple example. Now, basically, there are a couple of Copilot GPTs that Microsoft is testing. And as we can see, there are currently 5. And the first is Copilot, which says bringing you a balance of AI and the web. Then we've got Designer, creating images from words, Vacation Planner, Discover Plan and Book Travels, Cooking Assistant, Find Plan and Cook Meals, and a Fitness Trainer, Fitness Programs and Wellness Tips. And apparently Microsoft is also going to be rolling out more GPTs in the coming weeks. So it's not just limited to these 5. As this becomes more widely available, more GPTs will be rolling out to the free version and not only Copilot Pro. So just letting you know if this is something you would be interested in, and if you are using Copilot on a regular basis, then I think this may be a move in the right direction. But as mentioned, still in a controlled rollout. I'm not seeing it yet in my region, so you may have better luck than me. But just putting it out there to keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.